Students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going a brief character sketch of Veera in the story The Open Window, written by H. Munro, a famous author of Scotland. This is my third video lecture on this topic. The story The Open Window is in the syllabus of BA Part 1st English Literature Paper 2nd Unit B. Students, I am going to define the character sketch of Veera, the main character in the short story The Open Window. The main traits in her character are introduction of Veera, young lady, her impressive way of talking, her sharp-mindedness, imaginative and self-possessed. Introduction. The story entitled The Open Window is written by H. Munro, whose nickname is Saki. Saki is the pen name of Munro. He was born in Burma and educated in England. He found his aim with short stories. He published several collections of short stories, Reginald, The Chronicles of Clovis, etc. He is one of the celebrated English writers killed in the World War I. His wit, humor, and his satire make him a really delightful storyteller. The present story, The Open Window, is one of the best stories of H. Munro. Young lady. In H. Munro's short story of teenage mischief, The Open Window, the main character is Veera, a 15 years old young lady who is also the niece of Mrs. Stapleton. The latter is the woman whom Mr. Frampton Nuttall comes to visit as a formal guest to be able to spend some time away after having suffered a nervous breakdown. Veera's character is well foreshadowed in the very beginning after he meets Mr. Nuttall, when she welcomes him in the house of her aunt. When Mr. Stapleton came in the house, she made him wait a little till her aunt came downstairs. In the meantime, Veera engaged him in the conversation. Veera is a self-possessed girl. When Mr. Stapleton came, she welcomes him, and Saki describes the following line: "My aunt will be down presently, Mr. Nuttall," said a very self-possessed young lady of 15. "In the meantime, you must try and put up with me." Here we see that Veera is self-possessed, which means that she has the manners, the attitude, and the persona of someone who is well under control of herself. Next characteristic of Veera is her impressive way of talking. When Frampton Nuttall came to the house of Mrs. Stapleton, Veera talked to him to make him easy and comfortable because he was a stranger there. She asked him to wait for Mrs. Stapleton. Frampton told about his illness and ignorance about the place, and Mr. Stapleton, uh, Mr. Nuttall, impressed by the way of talking of Vera too much. Her sharp mindedness. Vera is a sharp minded girl. In the beginning, she came to know that Frampton is a stranger here. He brought the letter of introduction of her sister. She asks him, "Do you know many of the people round here?" And Frampton replies, "Hardly a soul." Thus she came to know about his weakness and tries to enjoy fun on the basis of Frampton's ignorance. Vera is a highly imaginative girl. She frightens Frampton Nuttall. She learned too soon that Frampton was a total stranger to the place. So she took into her head to play mischief to frighten him. She cooked a story that it was the third anniversary of the disappearance of her aunt's husband and her two brothers. All the three, followed by a dog, had set out to shoot birds in the marshes. They had gone out with their guns through the window. They never came back. Perhaps they had sunk in the marshes. Even their dead bodies could not be recovered. But poor aunt still hoped that they would come back some day. So she kept the window open till it was dark. Her husband had carried his white waterproof coat over his arm. The aunt's youngest brother was in the habit of teasing her with his song, "Birdie, why do you bound?" The girl enacted the drama very well. She shuddered and said that the missing persons would all walk in through that window. Just then the aunt entered the room. She apologized for being late. She hoped that Vera had been entertaining him with her talks. She also declared that her husband and her two brothers would be returning home soon from shooting. She went on talking about the shooting, the shortage of birds, etc. Mr. Frampton tried to turn the talk onto the some more cheerful topic. He noticed that his hostess was looking out of the open window. He said that he had a false notion that the total strangers were always hungry to hear the details of one's ailment and their cause and cure. Then suddenly Mrs. Stapleton became alert. She saw the shooting party returning home. Vera was also seeing out through the open window with horror in her eyes. Frampton also then looked in the same direction. He saw three figures crossing the lawn and coming towards the window. They carried guns and one of them had a raincoat hang over his shoulder. A tired dog also followed them. Then came a voice. I said, "Birdie, why do you bound?" Frampton was fully convinced that they were the ghosts. He picked up his stick and hat and bolted out of the room to the front gate. And a cyclist on the road ran into the hedge to avoid an accident. In this way, due to her highly imaginative power, Vera frightened Mr. Nuttall too much. Her calm nature. Vera was very calm and cool by nature. She spoke with Mr. Nuttall peacefully and with calmness. Apart from it, she was very soft spoken. When Mr. Nuttall ran away from her house, she was calm throughout the scene. She knew the reason very well. So she was just smiling at the condition of Mr. Nuttall but didn't say any word. Vera is an expert in making an instant story. Vera was expert in cooking up a tale or a story in a short notice. When Mr. Nuttall ran away horridly, then Vera explained that the visitor was frightened to see the dog. He had a very bitter experience of a dog who had made him spend a night in the cemetery once. In this way, she cooked the new story at once. Conclusion. Vera is the most important character in the story The Open Window. She is calm, resourceful, imaginative, of quick thinking, and very sharp and intelligent. She has great ability to invent plausible stories. She is a good actor so that she can easily make others believe in his stories. Romance at short notice was her specialty.